daughter marry poor person. Maybe say you go eat from plate to ground. No. So dem go wan like make their children continue eating, make that richness continue. You understand? So before Moses Bliss can be able to get to this his wife wey marry now, my brother and my sister, dey easy. Moses Bliss don work hard so well before we can be able to reach to the wife. And again, according to wetin we see during the wedding time, Moses Bliss in-law, the father of the girl that Moses Bliss married, gave them a key of the house in UK. So, and also give them an award. The man gave Moses Bliss an award for marrying the daughter. Yes, that is a very good thing. You understand? For a father to do, because the man is wealthy. He knows the importance of a celebrity to come into